Real estate investment guidance for beginners. Investing in real estate can be a rewarding way to build wealth you have ever wanted, an investment with low risk and considerably middle to high profit, but it's important to approach it with careful consideration and planning, especially if you're a beginner. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of real estate investing, including different types of properties, residential, commercial, industrial, financing options, and market trends. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable real estate blogs to gain knowledge. 2. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals and objectives for real estate investment. Are you looking for long-term appreciation, rental income, or a combination of both? 3. Create a budget. Determine how much you can afford to invest. Consider your current financial situation, potential financing options, and the costs associated with property ownership, mortgage, property taxes, insurance, maintenance. 4. Build a good credit score. A strong credit score will help you qualify for better financing options. Use properly your bank account in terms of deposits and withdrawals, manage your debt responsibly, and monitor your credit report. 5. Save for a down payment, which is typically a percentage of the property's purchase price. The amount varies based on the type of property and financing terms. 6. Understand different investment strategies. Explore various real estate investment strategies, such as buy-to-rent, house flipping, develop and rent, or develop and sell. Choose a strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Consider a professional real estate consultant to analyze investment, revenues, profit, time, and other financial factors. 7. Research and analyze markets. Research potential real estate markets. Look for areas with active property market, growth, and amenities. Analyze historical property values and rental rates in the area. 8. Start small. Consider starting with a smaller investment, such as a single-family home or a duplex. This can help you gain experience and minimize risk. 9. Due diligence. Before making any purchase, conduct thorough due diligence. Inspect the property, review property master plan, and verify all relevant information like mortgage and caveat. 10. Financing options. Explore financing options, such as mortgages, and understand the terms and interest rates. Consider the best rates and terms from different banks. 11. Diversify your portfolio. Consider diversifying your real estate portfolio to reduce risk. This could include investing in different types of property